Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to upgrade the cargo light on our 2015 Ram so we can see a whole lot better at night. The factory incandescent cargo light bulbs in the Ram are pretty pathetic and don't really do anything, so today we're going to get rid of them and upgrade them with these Diode Dynamics LED bulbs. These Diode Dynamics LED bulbs are going to be direct fit replacements for the factory incandescent bulbs. They feature a non-polar base for an easy install, and they put out an impressive 410 lumens with a nice cool white light, so you can see in your bed a whole lot better at night. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. This cargo light's super easy to remove, it's just 2 Phillips screws. Unplug the connector. Locate the cargo light bulbs, they're the 2 on the outside. Twist the plugs, pull them out, remove the incandescent bulb, and plug in your nice new Diode Dynamic bulb. And because it has a bipolar base, it doesn't matter which way you plug it in, it will light up. Stick it back in, twist it and lock it. Do the same thing to the other one. We can now reinstall this onto the truck, plug in the connector, line up the tabs on the truck, then reinstall your screws. And your install is finished. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the factory incandescent bulbs and our new Diode Dynamics LED bulbs. The LEDs are significantly brighter, they definitely light up the bed more, and they have a nice cool white light for a custom look. Okay, we got our Diode Dynamics LED bulbs installed in the cargo light of our 2015 Ram, and they are significantly brighter than the factory bulbs. They actually light up the bed so you can see. I'd say give yourself 10 or 15 minutes to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.